Hello guys and welcome to a new brand video. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to cancel a reservation on Airbnb platform. So the first thing to do is to go to your browser, either it was Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Microsoft Edge or any browser, and then you will need to go to airbnb.com. So after you click on it, you will be taken or redirected to the Airbnb website, and then you will need to create an account. So basically you will need just to click on this icon here at the corner. You click on it, and of course you are going to click on sign up, and after that you can either sign up with your phone number, or you can sign up with these alternative accounts, either Facebook, Google, Apple accounts or your email. So basically I'm just going to continue with my Google account, and then I'm just going to choose this account and I'm going to log in. So basically when you are going to create your account, all you need to do is to log in into your account and then just follow these simple steps. So after you log into your Airbnb account, you will need to go to your trips so you can cancel a reservation. So basically make sure that you already reserved, make sure that you have your reservation that is confirmed, and then go to the trips, and here we'll find your trips that you have just confirmed or reserved. After that, you will click on the trip that you want to cancel, and here you will find the reservation detail. And at the bottom, we will find something concerning the cancellation of this trip. And basically, you need just to click on cancel this trip or this reservation, and you will fill or choose the reason why do you want to cancel, and then you are going to confirm, and a refund will be sent to your method, or it will be billed to your payments method on Airbnb platform. So basically this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.